This is true. No one wants to be in a house with no hot water.
Right? I don't want to be responsible for breaking something that I can't turn back on.
Well, Greg, just don't attempt any projects without first consulting with the Suburban Sasquatch channel. That's all I can tell you about that one. You know.
Albeit, I think 90% of the sediment came out in the first 5 minutes.
You're probably right.
I mean, the initial water was fucking black.
Yeah. Mm.
How do we restore this? This is the most important part. How do we have a water heater restored to normal operating parameters that heats water and I don't have to worry about it? Okay, so the water's cut off.
Yes.
That's step one.
Step one.
As I academically understand this.
Mm-hmm. And then step two over here
Is to turn off the pilot light.
Yep, so right now it's on position B, and we're going to position it to the off and watch our status light. Eventually it's going to change colors. There you go, turn red.
I academically understand what you're doing.
So now there's no fire.
There's no fire, there's no water flowing into the tank, and now we drain the tank.
Yep. You should. Ooh, look at that.
That's dirty water.
Yep. Where? Oh shit, yeah, it's hot too. Alright, so it's fully open right now.
Well, it should be hot. It's a water heater.
Thank you, Greg. And then this is, I think, the last one. Temperature pressure relief valve, important maintenance. Operation. Oh, yep, that's it. So this is the last step.
The part about this process that scares me is how do I restore normal operations to the water heater?
Alright, so how you restore normal operations to
I mean, from an engineering standpoint, I kind of like the motive is if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Mm-hmm.
If it's working right, why should I interrupt? Pardon my language. Why should I interrupt its normal operations?
Mm-hmm. So that way you don't have sediment buildup in your tank that can circulate throughout these smaller pipes and cause blockages in your valves elsewhere. Like how this one was sticking and stuff. And when we went to start letting the water that first came out black, that's all buildup from the inside of the pipes. It can build up in the tank. Like once a year, you're supposed to drain it, just to remove sediment.
But if I try to fix something, I might break it.
That's true, and that's usually why you hire a professional, or you could become a subscriber to Suburban Sasquatch. Because I give this kind of information away to people for free, even though it's incredibly valuable.
I hope nothing goes wrong.
Me too. I can always edit that part out.
Oh, don't edit that part out. It's a legitimate concern.
What do you do? I guess it's definitely working though.
Well, the water's definitely going from there to there. I mean, my fear is we don't know how to turn the water heater pilot light back on or reconnect the water supply. All those things could be horrible.
But we have the tools, and because you're a Suburban Sasquatch member, you now have the knowledge. And armed with the right knowledge and the right tools, you don't have to fear anything.
We don't know how to turn the water heater pilot light back on or reconnect the water supply. Trying not to break stuff.
Good, then watch my channel. You can even watch it on the tools. And because you're suburban Sasquatch member,
Here,
you do not have the knowledge. And armed with the right knowledge and the right tools, you don't have to fear anything.
I'm just trying not to break stuff.
Good. Then watch my channel. You can even watch it on the computer. Here, I'll stream you. I'll show you Pilot Light channel. You gotta open the bottom valve, open the top valve.
Into a good video.
Yeah.
Otherwise it wouldn't drain.
Yeah, because this is like a suction on a straw. So it's breathing through this, and then we're just gonna flip this, because right now it's like stuck like this. If you move it, it'll close.
Let me see. Oh my God, you're right. Physics.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. That is the close position.
And this concludes my tutorial on how to drain your own water heater at home.